Hello, everybody. So I hope you're having a great summer. Welcome to my guitar cave or my home studio. Um, I just wanted to do this quick video rather than sort of shooting over a massive email for you guys to read. Um, and just send this quick video for you guys to watch and get a digest of the exciting news that's coming in September. So I'm currently migrating everything, like all my systems, over to a platform called TeacherZone for a number of reasons, which I'll explain in a bit. But it's an amazing platform. Basically, I'm very excited. It's going to add extra value to my students and my lessons, and it's just going to help automate stuff, not just for myself, but also to help students and parents just not have to remember to do things or worry about doing things and stuff like that, just making it really nice and easy for everybody. So TeacherZone, it's a platform for people like myself, guitar tutors, music schools, and alike. So firstly, the biggest value for my students is that they're going to have a student portal. So TeacherZone has a desktop login, so you can just go to your browser, teacherzone.com, log into your account, and access it there. It also has an app that's available on all mobile devices. You can just download it, log in, and then all you have to do is open the app if you need to access it. Highly recommend that for my students because I know that a lot of them have iPads or phones and stuff, so that might be the easiest way for them to log in. But if you have a laptop and a computer, you can do that the same with parents. Okay, so in the student portal, let's just have a look at it. So if I just switch over, so you should be able to see me and the student portal. So once you get a login, you will be able to access this. So at the moment, you can probably see that I've already started filling in my student database, which TeacherZone have helped me upload. And soon there'll be a section. So if I go to the left where it says members, let it just load, and there'll be a section for parents too. So this is great because it means every student has a login, and they'll be able to access their practice notes. So every week I can fill in their practice homework, and all they have to do is log into the app if they need to check that. All of the video, like lesson recordings, extra materials, everything will be on here. Super easy access for everybody. So I know we've been using Google Drive, but in all honesty, that's created a lot of admin for me. So this is going to help make that more concise and a lot easier and streamlined for me and my students. And also it means that you guys don't have to remember multiple different platforms that we're using for our guitar lessons. It's just this is the platform, and you know exactly where everything is. So that's great. Now this the students and parents will have if they log into the platform, they'll also have access to a instant chat messaging section. So if I click over to here where there's a little chat message, as you can see, I can message all students. Teachers, don't worry about it because it's just me. I can message all students, and there will be like an all parents thing there as well. Or I can go in and actually click a student, start talking to them, and they can do the same with me if they need to. So that's super great because it means that all the chatting is on one platform. We're not using multiple different platforms, and I will encourage everybody to use this to contact me. Obviously, I'll still be available via email. So talking about the accounts, if the student is under 18, the parents will have an account, and it will the way I'm setting up at the moment, you will automatically get a connection with your child's account. So you can log into your parent account, you can see exactly what's happening, you can see what they need to practice that week. You can also chat to me. You can see what the students been saying to me and I've been saying to them. So it's all very safe, and it's all parents can see everything that's going on as well. So really amazing in my opinion. Lots of great stuff. And I understand there'll be a bit of a teething period where I will need to sort of run you through things and help with stuff, but hopefully this video will sort of give you a bit of a lowdown on what this is. So as I said, this is bringing lots of different value. So as well as this, if students will get the opportunity to achieve things on the leaderboard and stickers and stuff like that, and badges and stuff like that for attendance of lessons, for practicing a lot, for like achieving being it by learning like a song and mastering it, maybe achieving their first solo, achieving their first live performance at my performance nights or something like that. There's loads of cool gamifying things on here, which is going to make the learning process even fun and just hopefully motivate people even more. So that's really great. Now, as well as the gamifying thing, there is also a practice timer, which I will encourage students to open up the app every time they sit and practice and click the practice button, which is just a big green button. And you click it when you start, click it when you finish. And what that does is it sends me the amount of time that you've been spending practicing. That's not for me to tell you off if you haven't been practicing loads and stuff like that, but it's a great way for me to see how long you've actually practiced for, and also parents to see how long their child's been practicing for, and it just really helps us move forward with progression and for me to be able to help. Now, moving on, I don't want to take up too much of your time explaining this, but so yeah, lots of value added to the lessons with the everything being in here. Students can log on. I'll also really encourage people to upload a profile photo so we can give this a bit of a sense of community, and just make it fun really. So parents and people that are scheduling the lessons and paying for the lessons. So this is going to be great because it's going to have an auto billing service. So no more invoices, no more reminders to pay, not having to receive the invoice in the email, open up your banking and send me the money. Basically, once your billing's set up, you just put your billing details in, and it comes out for the lessons that you're booked in for. Now, if you're worried about the automation, don't worry about it. It's attached to the scheduling. So as I said, you will have full access to be able to adjust the scheduling, like when the lessons are. So if you're here for every week, majority of the time, then there's no difference. Basically, it's just the fact that you don't have to it takes the thought out of it a bit more. But say if you're going on holiday, all you have to do, and obviously I say this, please do this in as much in advance as you can. Just go into the scheduling and the calendar and just take yourself out of that, and then you won't be billed for that. The automatic billing will account for that, so you won't be billed for that. If you have any more questions about this, obviously email me and we can sort it out. And as I said, I can probably over the first couple of lessons, once this is set up, maybe I'll be running everything through with people just to make sure everybody's set up with it. And then once it's done, and we can move forwards. So again, lots of value there. Like great for the scheduling. When you log into your account, my scheduling is not set up yet, but as you can see, this is a whole thing. I'll be dragging everybody into their time slots, and then you'll be able to see this too, and you'll be able to, like, if you need to cancel a lesson, or if you need to move a lesson, you'll be able to see when I'm available. It just takes some of the process out of it. You don't have to email me and ask me, do I have alternate slots, because you'll be able to see the schedule once you're logged in. So I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. I've just hit 10 minutes, but hopefully that kind of gives you a rundown of this amazing platform and what's to come. Now, what I do ask is, towards September, so in a week or two, you are going to receive an email from TeacherZone. So students, if I've got your email now, some of the students that are under 18, I do have some of their emails. Some of them I don't, because they don't have emails and stuff. Please check your emails, or all the possible emails you have given me, to make sure that you get this email and that you sign up to your account. It's very, very important that you do this as soon as you get that email. I will let you know when they're sent out. Parents, if same with you. So as I said, students will get an account, parents will get an account. Now, if a parent is a student as well, you will have two accounts. You will have a parent account and a student account, so you'll get two emails. So it's very important that you log into both your accounts and set that up. If you're a parent of a child on that's quite young and doesn't have an email, you will also have two accounts to set up. So you will have your parent account to set up, and you will have your student account to set up. So maybe I'll just switch back to my main camera whilst I'm not doing anything on that screen. So yeah, so if you're a parent with a young student, you'll have two accounts to set up. So you'll have the parent account and you'll have the student account. Now the username and password is all set up, so you'll just basically receive an email and you just have to log in and set up the account. That's it. Change your password if you want. Upload a profile photo, please do, because it'd be great, because it means that it starts feeling like a community, and we can see, like, it will be great. So very, very important, please do check your emails over the next couple of weeks, and if you get one from TeacherZone, please set up, because also if you're paying for the lessons, like, it's very important you do this so that the billing is set up, and all the lessons get paid for at the start of next term. So yeah, as I said, everything is migrating over to this. So I need a drink. No more Google Drive. No more me sending emails to you of the lesson recordings. Everything will be on here. Maybe if I just quickly go onto a profile, a student profile, to show you the homework stuff. So I'm just gonna log in as an adult student. Hopefully, I'm sure they won't mind me quickly using them as their account as a guinea pig. But there's nothing. They don't have anything in here anyway at the moment, because it's not set up yet. So I've just logged in as one of my students. As you can see over to the left hand side, there's a play button, which you can press when you do your practice timer. And then you can stop it when you stop, and that sends me the metrics, and blah blah blah. Okay, so important thing, practice assigned. So every week I will set this for the student, and you'll be able to find it on your account. Obviously there's nothing there at the moment. I've gone back to my account, my bad. Look, as you can see, let me go back. As you can see here, recent activities. So Catherine received 20 points on the timer. So you get points for hitting the practice time, and you move up the leaderboard and stuff like that. It's going to be fun. It's going to be really fun. Anyway, let me go back to logging in as a student. Okay, so practice assigned, incomplete practice will go there. So if you haven't practiced, completed practice. So basically, you can tick off when you've practiced and stuff like that. So this is something that since we moved online, I hadn't managed to sort it out. The practice sheet that we used to fill in, but now we've got it all online. So problem solved. I can assign courses to the student. I can add things to your library so you can find it. So that would be a bit like the Google Drive folder. You can access your scheduling so you can see when your lesson is. And if you need to move your lesson, as I said, you can do that. Obviously, you can only move it into an available slot. So sometimes, it will be subject to demand. You can sort out your payment and billing info here. You can see, you can fill in personal profile, you can fill in a picture, and so on. So as I said, there's no information on here at the moment because the emails haven't gone out to set it up. So yeah, hopefully this explains it. Sorry this took more than 10 minutes, but please, I hope you've watched the whole video through and it explains it. If you do have any questions, just email me, let me know. As I said, I'm really excited about this, and hopefully all you guys will be excited because it's going to be great. Log on your computer, just open the app on your phone. It's going to be great. So yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in our next lesson.